Hi there. It was certainly a very lively night of weather as Storm Amy moved in and moved across northern Scotland. But we're not out of the woods yet. It's going to be a very windy day with further disruption likely as Amy moves across northern parts of Scotland. And as it moves away, the winds change direction. We're going to see northwesterlies for most of the UK. Colder northwesterlies, but also staying very blustery. Those isobars remaining tightly packed, with the worst of the winds expected for northeast Scotland. So widely 50, 60 mile/hour wind gusts through Saturday morning, but it's across the north and northeast of Scotland where there's the risk of 70 to 85 mile/hour wind gusts. That could cause further disruption, certainly to transport, but also potentially to power, as well as damage to buildings and dangerous conditions near coasts. So despite the worst of the winds coming down through the day, it is going to stay very windy indeed as Amy only slowly pulls away to the northeast. Amber warning remains in force for northern Scotland first thing. Yellow warnings elsewhere across the country, but it's going to be a blustery day wherever you are. Frequent showers for many parts, particularly towards the north and the west. Longer spells of rain for northern Scotland. Northwest Highlands could see 70 to 100 millimetres of rain accumulating, courtesy of spells of persistent rain. And it's going to feel cold in that wind now that we're seeing polar maritime airflow coming in from the northwest. Those frequent showers continuing through the evening. It stays blustery, but eventually the worst of the winds do moderate. It stays windiest in the northeast of Scotland. And there'll be some clear spells overnight, but enough of a breeze to prevent temperatures from falling to the kinds of values we saw earlier in the week across southern parts of the UK because of the calmer winds that we had at that stage. Plenty of bright weather on Sunday morning in the south and the east. It's going to be, again, a gusty start to the day, particularly towards the north and northeast, but actually those winds are continuing to come down. Amy, by this stage, moving into Denmark, and for many areas it is certainly much less breezy by the afternoon. Thicker cloud rolls in and some showery rain, particularly for western Scotland, but also for Northern Ireland, much of northwest England, spits and spots further south. The best of any brightness holding on to the southwest and South Wales. Lighter winds here, feeling a bit more pleasant because of the brighter skies and also the lighter winds. But the theme into next week is for it to stay fairly breezy, that breeze continuing to come from the Atlantic, so it will contain showery rain from time to time, particularly towards the west. It's not looking at this stage as stormy as the next 24 hours.